Oh, no problem. I am fine. Just that you know our work that is very stressful. Sometimes we hardly have time to respond. Just to be talking to our yes, not be me. Don't get serious. I don't wear costume. I makeup artist. You should come and touch my face. See, that girl come out. You should come and do me makeup, so I'll come over.
Where is that makeup? There you go.
Okay, don't worry. Your mama come.
I won't do my my work now. Just bend down for me now. Do my work.
I should bend down for you to do your job? For what?
Don't make us now. You don't see me. You don't see as I did.
Hey!
You want me to jump up? They do the makeup. Oga, please, no, but just bend down for me now. Do the makeup.
I can see you don't have respect. You don't have respect in Imendoge at all. How dare you? Do you know whom you are talking to?
Wait. Upon all the whole respect I don't show you now, you say I don't get respect, Abi? Who you be? How many of your film there for television? African magic know you? Okay, just humble yourself, may I do makeup. What's in your own? All these people who they do makeup for industry since how many years I started this makeup business? Now you better pass them. See a person like Mercy Johnson, where everybody for this whole life, for this world, not even Nigeria, no, she could just humble herself. Even the makeup where she carry for her wedding day, now me do. Everything where you don't see Mercy Johnson's art, all the makeup, whether na epic or anything, now they make her up. She just the humble herself. And I don't know Mercy Johnson. What of Destiny Tiku? That one where gather for back. I could just climb her back. She go there one year for me.
Jesus!
Even the makeup where she carry go all this part where they see her, they enjoy. Say still make her fine. Now me they do am. And they talk. What of my mommy goes there on that one? Now me they do makeup and she they like my makeup. Well. Which one I go call? Which one I no go call? This thing, E-money. When wife do birthday yesterday, now from there just they come this camp, they come and they come location. Now me do her makeup when she used to do her birthday, and they talk, Regina went picking do birthday. How many days ago? Now me still do her Regina makeup. Do her makeup, do your husband.
Jesus!
You want to do shakara? You want to say nobody they see you for film. You just the rise oh. But as you done your costume bag, you don't kind of finish.
Jesus!
Continue. Celebrity. I beg, do ma do. Percent of up at them. Mommy percent. Oh, mama do one day. Now me they make her up. Even the job where they shoot for which place again? That last job what she do, you know. Now me make her up. Every of them, now me they make them up. They know they do like this. Now you wear she should not even there your pocket because they say Chief Imo. You can't say you don't blow. But then you never blow. Bend down, make it up. You go.
Are you done blabbing?
I say blabbing.
No, are you done? Are you done talking?
Okay, I make it up.
Is it me you are talking to in that tone?
Yeah.
Are you comparing me with people?
Okay, you know but.
Do you know the people I have shot movies with?
Ooh. Do you know
if I begin to tell you people where me and them don't shoot movie, you go shocked.
Ghana, contact job you they go, you never reach anywhere.
Sam Loco, do you know when I start with Sam Loco?
Sam Loco, when me I even do makeup. Now my makeup Sam Loco carry die. Now me makeup when you carry die. And they talk of Sam Loco, even there the one day. You know that one now. That one where die. Now my makeup. If you go for where they bury am now, bring her out. You go see. My makeup no they rot you.
Jesus!
So on they make 21 years to do can never. It can be see they the one they bury cops. Now so the makeup day. Even Sam Loco on. Now me they do the makeup.
Look at this small thing. You they bring mouth come where I dey. You know they fear? Hey. Do you know my level? Do you know the people I operate with? Go and ask Ukeri and Obi. Go and ask the evangelist.
Operation man. Ukeri and Obi wey you just call now. Now my personal person. Now me they make her up. Even say if in there for her, he go call me. How do you come make me up? I dey tell you say you just see celebrity. Your hair got the turn oh. See you the first celebrity. See what you carry. Get iPhone. You go for Douglas, spend 2,500 naira food too. Carry for her 600 better food. See, those people wey they call, now iPhone that they use, no be this thing. Now they upgrade, you too say you be celebrity, see what you they use. My phone even better pass your phone. See what you carry for hand. And yeah, I bet them do you make a biko.
No, I just want to understand something. All the alcohol, whatever they call you, what do you or all the more. Am I the one you are talking to in that tone? When you know by that if I bring out my phone and now calling one suka, your own is finished.
My God. Wait,
Your own is girl, you are finished forever.
wait, I know want my phone for sure. So you miss call. Only they call me now. If I dey finish this job, na her house I dey go. You see that her festival where she do December period, na me do her makeup. Ask her if you don't say na lie, sure you don't say you dey in number. I don't know whether na call her be na uncle. I don't know, but call even engineer for keke dem, na me dey do the makeup. That music where they sing Lahan Tower, that thing there, na me do the makeup.
You know what? I am done with you.
Hey,
Do my makeup while I stand here. I can never bend down for you to do my makeup. Come on, get bend down, mama bring one.
okay, you must go there, no.
Ngwan.
Stand up, do you makeup, Abi? Okay, I will stand up, do makeup.
I don't know.
Hey, stand up, makeup. Stand up.
A whole knee.
Hey,
A whole knee.
stand up, makeup.
Jesus!
Stand up, makeup. You want to stand up, do makeup.